Hello, PH Digital again, and we're doing a fun test. We're doing some nice little lighting here. It's a sunny day here in Utah, and I wanted to give you reason number 4 for purchasing the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. And let's take a look. So here we go. Just flip screens just like that. I'm filming on the Samsung Galaxy phone, the S20. As far as I know, this is one of the newest phones by Samsung. So the experiment here is you take your watch and you put it in airplane mode, but you carry around your phone as well throughout the day. And right now it's almost 6 o'clock here in Utah. So pretty much a full day. Not a lot of activity, but a fair amount. I've almost at 5,000 steps according to the watch, but the watch doesn't quite catch all the steps. Now if I switch to my phone and go on steps, I've already switched to mobile, and if I go to all steps, it's going to be about the same, 2350. So we have the Samsung watch with 4,905, Samsung Health 2,350. So now what we'll do is we're going to take this out of airplane mode, and the watch and the phone are going to talk to each other, and they're going to synchronize, run some lines of code, and Samsung will tell me the overall steps combined between the phone and the watch. Now it doesn't add them all together. Well, it does, but it figures out which steps were done when. So we'll go back to the main menu here, and it will synchronize in just a second. Or you can just pull down, syncing with active watch, syncing. So this is definitely going to be above well over 5,000. There we go, 5,444. So what I'm trying to prove is, one, Samsung can be quite accurate because it's using two gyroscopes, the one on your smartwatch and the one on your phone simultaneously. So it's really cool. Now most people carry around their phone, so it's really great. And my favorite thing is right now my battery is at 16%, so I'm gonna have to charge it, but you can still go for walks, cycling, running, and still get all those stats on the phone, even though you don't have your watch. And when they synchronize, you'll get them back. So there you go. So now if we'll get that big jump, and if I were to wait a little bit, it's usually pretty quick. And once it synchronizes, it's done the comparison and figured out, okay, who was counting when, and if this was counting right at 5 p.m. and so is this one, meaning you had the watch and the phone at the same time, it cancels out those steps and just takes the one with the greater. That's what I've figured out so far. And as far as battery life, it's very minimal to have the gyroscope on your smartphone counting steps, which is pretty awesome, I think. All right, so if we do some quick math here, let me find my pen. Okay, so total steps were 5,444. And so basically we had the 4,905, 2,305. Okay, let me get the calculator here. So we'll take 4,905 plus 2,350. That's 7,295. Sorry, 7,255. And we'll take the difference between these two values here. Okay, so 5,444 minus 7,255. So by carrying around my phone, I received 1,811 more steps. So not bad. Thank you, Samsung Health for getting me extra steps throughout the day. So now what we'll do is I'm still going to go on a walk, but I'm just going to leave this on the charger and it'll be, well, I don't know, it charges about not quite 2% per minute, but I just like that ability to do that. And not all smartwatches do that. Fitbit has that ability. Withings, I'm not seeing that it does that. Garmin, not so much. And yeah, as far as I know, just Fitbit and Samsung are the ones that I've tested. So if you have a watch that allows you to get steps both through your phone and the smartwatch, yeah, let me know. Put those comments below. Thanks for watching. This is another gadget review by PH Digital. Don't be shy. Pithy comments are always welcome. And we'll see you in another day or so. That's all for now. Goodbye.